Hello everyone, so welcome to DataJig YouTube channel. So in this video, we will discuss about two things, that is the between and in. So what is the between operator in the SQL and what is the in operator in the SQL? So first understand the theory part. So between operator is used to search for the value within the range of the value or the set of the value, or we can say we put the minimum or the maximum value to filter out the record on the particular columns. So this is the use of the between operator, and that is the in operator. So in operator to use to compare the value by providing the list of the literal value that had been specified. So actually between in operator is the shortcut for the means in operator is basically the shortcut for the or operator. Suppose you have to use the multiple or condition, so instead of the multiple or condition you can use in operator. So this is the purpose of the in operator. So use in a clause and provide the value 1, value 2, value 3. So we will see how to implement these two between operator and the in operator in the MySQL. Alright, so I have already opened my MySQL workbench. If you are following this series, so you will not get any difficulties. So first I have created college database. So I am selecting and run this database, and so I have already created the employee table. So if you did not watch, we are coming first time, so please watch this video. I explain this video how to create employee table. Alright, so now we will see the what is the structure of the employee table. So let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so now see the structure of the employee table here. Okay, so this is how the structure of the employee table, like employee ID, employee name, employee status, employee salary, employee phone. Now let's there are the around 14 to 15 record. Okay, 11th. So 15 to 16 record is there. So alright, so suppose I want to use between operator on the employee salary. So our questions now becomes like, I want to filter out the record which salary belong between the 5,000 to the 20,000. Suppose I want to filter out the range between the 5,000 to 20,000 of employee salary. Okay, so now select star from, star means all the column, select star from the table name, employee, where. So we want to filter out the which column, employee salary. So I will use employee salary column. So which column you are interested, provide the that column name, employee salary, where employee salary is between, sorry, between suppose I give the 5,000. I will use the AND operator and one maximum value, that is 20,000. Okay, so use the semicolon here. So means how the query will be executed. So query will be executed this way. It will be filter out the record where the employee salary is between the range of the 5,000 and the 20,000. So let me first run. I explain later. So if you see that the employee salary, one person in the employee salary 5,000, 6,000, 11,000, 9,000, 15,000, and 15,000, 15,000, 20,000. If you, so what the we are providing the minimum and maximum value, it inclusive. So 5,000 will be include, and 20,000 will be as well include. If any, so in programming language we can say that if any value is greater than or equal to 5,000 or less than or equal to 20,000, so all the record will be written based on the employee salary column. So this is the use of the between operator. So between operator used to filter out the record based on the particular state of the value. So suppose, so you can use any column. So suppose if you want to filter out the employee phone, and you set the threshold like 8 5 9. So how many? 2 4 6 8, 2 4 2 4 6 8, and give the range 9. 2 4 5 6 7 8. So I want to filter out the in the range of the 85 and 99000. So let's see how many record will be written here. So so there is no record between this range. So that's why this is there is no row is returning. So let's I am give the one, simple 6 here, and now run this cell. Even though there is no record, because let's see the structure of the table. What is the minimum and maximum value? 2 4 6 7, 2 4 6 7. Okay, so there is 7 digit in the phone number. Okay, now let's see that. If you see that, though only 4 record have written based on the employee phone number, the employee phone that the range of the 659,500 with and 9000000. So any employee who have the phone number in the range of this range, so that row will be written. So this is the use of the between operator. Now I will explain what is the in operator. So I'm already explained that in operator used to compare the value by providing the list of the literal value. So it is a means in operator also used for the means if you are using multiple or condition, so avoid to multiple or condition, you can use in operator as well. So all right, so suppose I am taking here the employee salary column. So select staff from employee where I want to interested in the employee salary column. So employee salary in, let me write the query. I will make a question and explain. So 5,000, 15,000, now 20,000. Give that 9,000. Okay, so I want to filter out the record which employee salary is 5,000, or the employee salary is 15,000, or employee salary is the 9,000. So based on these three value I want to filter out the records. So any employee who have the salary 5,000, or any employee salary who have the 15,000, or any employee salary who have the 9,000, that record will be written. So first let me run this query and explain how the output coming here. So if you see that, so I want to filter out the record which employee salary is the 5,000. So if any employee salary column will be hold 5,000, that row will be written. And if you see, observe here 15,000 provided. So if you say any employee salary is 15,000, will be also written 50,000, 15,000. and 9,000 if given. So if any employee salary have the 9,000, so that will be that row also will be written. So any number of value are providing, it will compare if this value is presented in the particular column or not. If this value is presented in the particular column, that row will be written, otherwise it will be ignored. So I have used three value. Let's I give one value more, 60,000. So along that I have also provided 60,000 salary. Any employee who have the salary 60,000, that row is also returning here. So 60,000 coming here, 60,000 here coming, 60,000 here coming. Along with that 5,000, 9,000, 15,000 also is row is returning here. So this is the use of the in operator. So in this in operator you can use also not operator with the in operator. So suppose you can use not in, so it will be the just reverse. So let me, so not in 5,000, 15,000. If any employee salary who do not have either 5,000 or 15,000, that row will be written. So let me run here. So any person who do not have the 5,000 or 50,000, that row will be written. So 6,000, 60,000, 11,000. So there is no 5,000 and 15,000 row is returning. So this is our use of the not operator with in. So this is the inverse of in as we earlier used. Suppose I am giving 20,000 here as well. So now the 6,000, 16,000, 11,000, 9,000. So no row will be written with 5,000 or 15,000 or the 20,000. So this is use of the not in operator in the SQL. So in that way you can also use not with the between operator. So that row will be just inverse of the between operator. So this is the use of between and in operator. I hope you get the idea. And if this video really helpful for you, please like and subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.